everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Connect. In this video, we are going to learn how to send automated WhatsApp message to Facebook leads for Herbal business. Suppose I am having a Herbal store and to promote my business, I am running an ad campaign on my Facebook page. And now I want that whenever a new lead will be generated through Facebook lead ads, automatically a WhatsApp message should be sent to that same lead by using Vati. So how we are going to automate this entire process? For this, we will have to integrate both these applications, and that we are going to do with the help of an amazing automation and integration software, Pabbly Connect. So what we are going to do, we have Facebook lead ads in our trigger, and in action I am going to take Vati, through which I want to send WhatsApp template message. If you want, you can also take any other application such as Interact or AI Sensi. And now we are going to connect both of them by using Pabbly Connect in order to automate this entire process. And to learn this entire automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how can we automatically send WhatsApp message to our Facebook leads for Herbal store. Let's suppose I have a Herbal store named as Ayush Herbal Stores, for which I am running an ad campaign on my Facebook page to promote my business. And I have also created a lead gen form by using Facebook lead ads to generate leads. And now I want that as soon as a new lead will be generated through Facebook lead ads, automatically I could send WhatsApp message to these leads. Now, in order to send WhatsApp message, here I am going to use Vati, through which I am going to send WhatsApp template messages to all my Facebook leads. Vati has the official API access of WhatsApp. If you want, you can also use any other application here in order to send template messages such as Interact or AI Sensi. Now we will create this automation by setting up a simple integration between Facebook lead ads and Vati, and that I am going to do with the help of an amazing automation software, Pabbly Connect. So this is the home page of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach directly by typing pabbly.com/connect, this URL in our browser. Once we will reach on this home page, we will find two options over here: sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, you can directly click on sign in, but if you are a new user, you have to click on sign up for free button to create your free new account. And also, when you will create your account, you will get 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. Now because I am already an existing user, therefore I am clicking on sign in. And this is the all apps section of Pabbly, where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. And here it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So on this dashboard, we can find all of our workflows which we have created, and we can also save our workflows by creating multiple folders over here. As you can find, I have two folders over here. In this test integrations folder, I have saved a lot of workflows. In the same manner, you can create multiple folders and save your workflows accordingly in them. Now let's create a new workflow by clicking on this create workflow option given on right corner with blue color. And as we have clicked on it, a dialog box has appeared in front of us. So it is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, let us provide a name here. Send automated WhatsApp message to Facebook leads for Herbal store. Okay, so after giving the name, we can also select the folder in which we want to save our workflows. So from the drop down, I'm going to select test integrations folder, and now we will click on create. As we do that, we can find that two windows are open in front of us: trigger and action. So what are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the two main concepts on which the entire automation runs. The trigger says when this happens, and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow the same command. Now, let's understand the concept of trigger and action once again with the example of this workflow. Let's say here we are going to take Facebook lead ads in our trigger and Vati, through which we want to send WhatsApp template message, in our action. And we want that as soon as a new lead will be generated through Facebook lead ads for our Herbal store, automatically a WhatsApp message should be sent to that same Facebook lead through Vati. Okay, here we can find that our action is the response towards our trigger. Now, after understanding the concept of trigger and action, let's start creating this workflow step by step. First of all, we will select the trigger application, which is Facebook lead ads. So let's select it. And now we have to select the trigger event. What is trigger event? Trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to start. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger event, on the happening of that event, the workflow is going to automatically trigger. Here we are going to select new lead instant in our trigger event, as we want that as soon as a new lead will be generated through Facebook lead ads, automatically the response of that lead should be captured here in Pabbly Connect, and by using that response, the workflow should get triggered. We will click on connect. And from the given options, I'm going to go with add new connection to build a new connection with Facebook lead ads account. If you want, you can also go with your existing connection. As we have clicked on add new connection, now we will click on connect with Facebook lead ads. And automatically our authorization has become successful. since I was logged into my Facebook account, Pabbly Connect has already deducted it, and now my Facebook lead ads account is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. After connection, we will move further, and here we have to enter two details over here. We have to select the page and the lead gen form. In order to understand this, let me take you towards my Facebook account, and after coming here we can find that this is the page which I am running for my business Ayush Herbal Store. And to promote my business, I have also created a lead gen form for this page by using Facebook lead ads. And now I want that as soon as a person is going to fill that form and submit it, automatically the response of that form should be captured here in Pabbly Connect. But before that, first of all, we will have to select that page and form here in Pabbly Connect. So let's do that. The name of my page is Ayush Herbal Store. So I'm simply going to search it over here, Ayush Herbal Store, and the page is selected. After selecting the Facebook page, we are going to select the form which is associated with it. So from the drop down, I have multiple options. I am going to select this organic product form as my Facebook lead gen form, as I want that whenever a person is going to fill this organic product form, then only the response should be captured here in Pabbly Connect, otherwise not. Now, after selecting the page and the form, we will simply click on Save and Send Test Request. And as we do that, it is showing waiting for webhook response. What does this mean? This means that we now have to do a test submission by submitting the form which we have selected, so that the response of that form could be captured over here. How we are going to do that? For this, let me take you towards Meta for Developers, and after coming here, we have to go towards My Apps. As we have clicked on My Apps, here we can find several options. Among them, we have to select this Tools option, and it is going to take us towards Developer Tools. Under Other Developer Tools, we will find the option of Lead Ads RTO Debug Tool. Let's select it, and it has taken us towards Lead Ads Testing Tool. So this tool is going to help us in order to test our integration. So what we are going to do, we will select the page and the form here in this tool, and then we will make a test submission by filling up that form, and automatically as soon as we will submit the form, the response will be captured here in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so why I am using this testing tool? Therefore, I could not send the data of a real lead towards Pabbly Connect. And for that, I am using this lead ads testing tool to test my integration. But in your case, when you will create your lead gen form after running live campaign for your business, automatically as soon as a new lead will be generated through that lead gen form, the response will be captured in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so now let us do the test submission. First of all, we will select the page over here. The name of my page is Ayush Herbal Store. I will simply select it, and here we can find that the form associated with this page is already selected over here as organic product form. So we will click on preview form to open this, but before that, it is given that if you want to create a new lead, you will first have to delete an existing lead with this form by clicking on this delete lead button. So as I have clicked on this delete lead button, it is given that you do not have a lead submitted for the selected form yet. That means there is no existing lead with this form. So I can directly click on this preview form button. But in your case, if you will test your integration, you will first have to delete your existing lead if there is any, and then you have to refresh your page once, and then you have to open a new form. Okay, so that you can do a new test submission. So we will click on this preview form, and my form is open in front of us, Ayush Herbal Store. This is an organic food product form, and I have created this form with the motive that whenever a person is going to fill this form, I'm going to send that person a WhatsApp message informing about the offers I have for them. Okay, so it is written, we will send latest offers on WhatsApp. Now, what I'm going to do, because I'm doing a test submission over here, I'm going to submit this form with dummy details. Let us start with full name. Let's say the full name will be Smart User. Okay, a random phone number, and at last an email. So here I'm going to enter a dummy email. Let's say smartuser56@pablitudes.com. Okay, now after filling up the form, let's click on next, and we will submit this form. And as soon as we have submitted the form, let's cross this, and we will go back on Pabbly Connect. And here we have received the response. So because we have received the response as soon as we have submitted the form, that means our integration is perfectly successful. And we have successfully integrated our lead gen form with Pabbly Connect. Now here we have received all the details, full name, phone number, and the email of the person which we have entered in the form. So by using this detail, we are going to send WhatsApp template message to this person. Okay, so let's move further, and we will move towards our next action step, that is sending WhatsApp message to this lead, and that I'm going to do with the help of Vati. So here I'm going to connect Vati with Pabbly Connect. So we will move towards our action step, and in our action application, I'm going to select Vati. And now we will select the action event. We want to send WhatsApp template message. So here we will select the event as send template message. Click on connect, And in order to create a new connection with Vati account, I am going to click on this add new connection button, and we have to enter two details over here, API endpoint and access token. Now from where we are going to find both the details, for that instructions are provided to us. We just have to go towards our Vati dashboard, and then we have to click on the API docs. As we will click on API docs, we will find both the details, API endpoint and access token. So let me take you towards my Vati account, and we will go towards API docs. And here we can find both the options, access token and API endpoint. First of all, we will copy API endpoint and we will paste it over here in this field. And the next is access token. So we will again go back on Vati. We will copy the access token and paste it here in this field. Done. We will click on save. And with this, our Vati account is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. Now let's move further, and here we have to enter several details in order to send WhatsApp template message. First of all, it is asking us for the WhatsApp number. Here we have to enter the number on which we want to send the template message. Basically, we want to send template message to our Facebook leads, and we have received all the details of our Facebook leads here in our earlier response. So we are going to use the same details over here in order to map the data. Now, we are going to map the number over here. What is mapping? Mapping is just inserting data from our previous step. So as we have clicked on this field, we can find our previous step is given over here. When we will select it, all the details are provided to us here. Okay, so whatever data we want, we will simply select that and it will be mapped. Here we want to map the number. Number is given over here. So we will select it and it is mapped. So mapping is just very easy process. So why we have mapped this number instead of entering it manually? Because we want that every time a new response will be captured from Facebook lead ads, automatically the number in this field should be replaced with a new number of a new person, because we are creating an automation here. So we do not want to do anything manually after creating this automation. So whenever we map the data, automatically it gets replaced with each and every response. But if we will enter this number manually, then it will become static and it is not going to replace with each and every response. Then the workflow will get stuck and a WhatsApp template message will be sent only on one number. So here, after mapping the WhatsApp number, the next it is asking us for the template name. Here we have to enter the name of the template through which we want to send the messages. So let me take you towards my Vati account and we will go towards template section. So this is the template which I have created with the name as Ayush Herbal Store for sending WhatsApp messages to my Facebook leads. Let me open it and show you. So this is the preview of the message which is going to be sent. So here the name of my template is Ayush Herbal Store. I have selected the category as marketing and the language as English to send the messages. Okay, in the broadcast title, I have used the name of my store, Ayush Herbal Store, and it is being shown in bold in the header of my message. So whatever you're going to select as your broadcast title, it is going to be shown in the bold in the header of your message. Instead of this text, if you want to attach any image along with this message in the header, you can also select the broadcast title type as image over here. The next is the message. So this is the content of the message which I want to send. Hello name, thank you for contacting us. We have some special offers for you. Enjoy 40% off on all your purchases this month, plus extra 10% off on your first order. Apply coupon code Ayush first 10. Thank you team Ayush Herbal Store. So this is the message which I want to send to my Facebook leads for my herbal store, informing about the offers which I have for them. Okay, in place of name, because I have used variable over here, it is going to be replaced with each and every response, and a customized message will be sent to every Facebook lead. So wherever in the message you will use variable, the details there are going to be changed automatically. Therefore, by using variables, we can customize our message. Okay, so here I have used only one variable. You can use multiple variables also as you want. Now, after using the variable, you also have to provide the dummy content for that same variable. So here I have provided a sample content as a dummy name over here for the variable. So as much variable you want, you can use. You have to provide the sample content for each and every variable. That is what value you want to use in the place of that variable. Okay. So here we do not have to provide exact sample content, but we can also provide dummy details over here. If you want, you can also attach a footer line along with this message by using this footer option, and even you can add a call to action button. When you will complete creating your template, you also have to send it for approval, and once it will get approved, you can definitely use it in order to send WhatsApp template message to multiple people. As my template is approved over here, I'm going to use it in order to send messages. Now, here my template name is already selected as Ayush Herbal Store, so we will move further towards broadcast name. In the broadcast name, we have to provide the broadcast title which we have used in the template. I have used the broadcast title as the name of my store, Ayush Herbal Store, so I'm going to enter the same over here. The broadcast name should be exact which we have used in the template. Okay. Now the next and the most crucial step here in this workflow is to add the custom parameters. What are custom parameters? Custom parameters are the values which we want to use in the place of variables. So whatever variable we have used, we have to provide the values for each and every variable in this exact format. That is the name and value pair. In the place of name, the name of the variable which we have used will come, and in place of value, whatever value we want to use in place of that variable will come. So we will simply copy this text from here and we will paste it over here. And now we are going to make the changes in this format only. So in the place of name, because I have used only one variable, that is for name, I am going to enter name only. And in the place of value, I am going to simply map the name from my previous response so that it could change. So now whatever value I have mapped over here, that is the name, is going to be replaced with each and every response. But the thing which we have entered manually, that is the name of the variable, is going to be same every time. Now, after entering all the details correctly, we will simply click on Save and Send Test Request. And here we have received the response. Along with the response, we have also received a contact ID, and this means that our workflow is perfectly successful. And this means that the message is sent on the number which we have mapped over here. Okay, so let's go and check on WhatsApp. And yes, we can find that we have received the message over here on WhatsApp with the name as Ayush Herbal Store. Hello smart user, thank you for contacting us. We have some special offers for you. Enjoy 40% off on all your purchases this month plus extra 10% off on your first order. Apply coupon code Ayush first. Thank you team Ayush Herbal Store. The same message which we have used in the template. Because we have received this message, that means our workflow is perfectly successful. So let's go back on Pabbly Connect and we will summarize what we have done here in this workflow. So we have created this automation by using two simple steps, trigger and action. In trigger, we have taken Facebook lead ads, and in action, we have taken Vati, through which we want to send the template messages. And we have connected both of them by using Pabbly Connect in such a way that now whenever a new lead will be generated through Facebook lead ads for our Herbal store, automatically a WhatsApp message will be sent to that same lead by using Vati. And by following the same steps, you can very easily create this automation. And this is going to enable you to automatically connect with your Facebook leads for your Herbal store. And you can send them automated WhatsApp message for informing about the offers you want to provide them, about your business, your products. Even you can send the product catalogs like this. Okay, so this was it in this video. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can easily integrate many other applications by using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can easily email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can easily reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you are having any pricing related issue with Pabbly Connect, you can easily reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful in any way, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also, please like our videos and subscribe to our channel to learn more such automation.